I'm Anne-Marie Cannaby. I'm a chief nurse in the NHS and I'm part of the clinical advisory board here at BT. One of the issues that we have in healthcare is not enough staff, and I'm hoping that technology will bridge some of that gap. So it's not a substitution, it's an augmentation. We are looking really for the digital minds in BT and the NHS to work together in co-production to be able to come up with some of those solutions. So some of those solutions may mean giving information to people in a different and a quicker way. They may aid diagnosis. They may connect systems, so help patients flow. So there's lots of different ways that we can digitalise to enable healthcare professionals to work in a different way. I'm also very interested in robotics and how robots can help in the NHS in the future. Most of us are aware of robots in surgery, so helping clinicians in very difficult surgical procedures. But I'm interested in robots in structured spaces, so in ward spaces or department spaces, taking away perhaps lower level tasks from nurses and doctors and making their life easier. So some of the work that we're looking at is to think about how that might work in the NHS today. So BT is working with hospitals, which is calling its vanguards, to co-design and co-produce solutions that work in practice. It's very easy for very intelligent people to design things, but the application is the important space. So we want to take the technology and the brains from BT and apply that with partners to co-produce things that are going to add value, but also are going to be a win-win. They're going to help clinicians work smarter. Through the work that BT has done in the past with the NHS, with different service providers, we know that BT can work at scale. And if we're going to put sustainable solutions into the NHS, which is a really, really large organisation, we need to be able to do that at scale. If we can do things at scale that benefit clinicians, then we know we're going to get sustainability.